Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to take you on a fascinating journey into a very unique industry, large-scale pigeon farming in China. It might sound small and simple at first, but in reality, this is a multi-billion yuan agricultural sector, featuring modern industrial-scale operations, advanced technology, and a massive consumer market. From climate-controlled breeding centers to spotless processing lines. Get ready to witness one of the most surprising corners of the global food industry. China is currently the largest producer and consumer of pigeon meat in the world, with a national flock of around 600 million pigeons raised annually. Each year, the country supplies hundreds of thousands of tons of pigeon meat to the domestic market and exports to other Asian countries and even to the Middle East. In China, pigeon farming has moved far beyond small family operations with just a few breeding pairs. Provinces such as Guangdong, Jiangsu, Hubei, and Fujian have developed large-scale industrial pigeon farms, raising anywhere from 10,000 to over 500,000 birds per farm. These facilities use multi-tiered cage systems arranged in long rows, equipped with modern automation. Breeding pigeons are kept in pairs, and each pair can produce 10 to 12 broods per year, with 1 to 2 eggs per brood, and a high hatch rate when managed with proper care and technical support. An interesting fact is that young pigeons cannot eat solid food during their first few weeks of life. Instead, they are fed with crop milk, a thick, protein-rich liquid secreted from the throats of their parents. Thanks to this highly nutritious substance, baby pigeons can increase their body weight by 6 to 8 times within just 3 to 4 weeks. This growth rate is even faster than that of regular broiler chickens. However, starting around day 20, the young pigeons begin to peck at food and gradually transition to a diet of finely ground grains. Once squabs reach the desired market weight, they are collected early in the morning, when they are calm and less likely to panic. Skilled handlers gently remove them from their cages and place them into well-ventilated crates for transport to the processing facility. First, the birds are hung one by one on an automatic conveyor system. They are then stunned and carefully cut at the neck to let the blood drain out, keeping the meat clean and fresh. Next, the birds pass through a hot water bath to loosen the feathers. Then, a special machine removes all the feathers quickly and gently. After the bleeding process, the pigeons move on to evisceration. This is where trained workers carefully remove the internal organs. But it's not just about taking everything out. Skilled hands separate out the valuable parts like the heart and liver, which are often considered delicacies and used in various dishes. The pigeon bodies are then washed with cold, high-pressure water to clean and cool them. Some facilities even use a mild disinfectant rinse to ensure top hygiene. Finally, each bird goes through a manual quality check before being vacuum-packed or sealed in airtight containers. The products are labeled, given tracking codes, and stored in deep-freeze warehouses ready to be delivered to supermarkets, restaurants, or exported to countries across Asia and the Middle East. Every year, the world produces over 900 million tons of fruit, and a surprising portion of that comes from tropical farms and delicate crops that can spoil within hours.